Hello coders, in the last video we have developed library management system. I also upload video on Android, Python and Java. Please subscribe to Lazy Coder and press the bell icon. Today we will see the project which is school management system. This is the home page of our website. You can see the home page. There are actually 3 roles in our website: admin, teacher and student. We will see the activity of each role one by one. First we will see the activity of admin. So let's click on admin. It redirects to me on sign up and login page. We can access this page by clicking on admin button on navigation bar also. It redirects to me the page. So let's sign up. After the sign up process, login page appears. So we will log in as a admin. So enter the details. This is the dashboard of admin. As we have not added any teacher student, it is showing the 0 in all this field. Now we will discuss this section. Let's click on teacher. There are 4 more sections in the teacher field: view all teacher, add teacher, approve teacher, view teacher's salary. Let's see one by one. Click on view all teachers. It is showing me no data because we have not added any teacher yet. Soon we will add this. Click on add teachers. This is the field where we can hire new teacher to our school directly from the admin. Soon we will add new teacher to our school. We can approve teachers. Approve teacher field means if any teacher apply for the job, we can approve their request or delete their request. Soon we will see this. View teacher salary. There is no teacher in our school, so it is showing me no data. Let's click on student. There are 4 more sections in the student: view all student, add a student, approve a student, view a student fee. Soon we will discuss after adding the student and teacher. Admin can also take the attendance class wise and view the attendance. Soon we will see this after adding the student. Admin can also check the fees of each class. Admin can also announce anything like notice, like classes will be suspended from tomorrow Let's say I'm in the class 10 and I want roll number 1. Mobile P, I want 1000. Take admission. Now log in as a student. It is showing me the same thing. Your account is not approved till now. Our team is checking your profile. When the admin will approve the admission to this school, then only a student can log in. So let's log out for now and add one more student so that we can understand it better. Now we will log in as admin and approve this teacher, that is Donald Trump, and a student which is Sumit and Subham. So let's log in as admin. You can see that here it is showing pending teacher 1, that is Donald Trump, and pending student 2 because there we have added 2 students, and pending salary 12,000, salary of expected salary of the teacher, and pending dues, that is 2000, 1000 of Sumit and 1000 of Subham. So let's approve the teacher and a student, and here it is showing 0 because we have not approved the teacher's request. So let's approve the teacher request. Here click on view all teacher. It is showing no data because we have not approved the teacher yet. So let's click on approve teacher. We can approve the teacher and delete the teacher also. In this case I will approve this. After approval we can see that teacher is added here and here also, and teacher salary is showing here and pending salary none. Now we will approve the student admission also. Let's click on approve Sumit Kumar, and in this case I want to delete the Subham Kumar request. So let's click on delete. I only approved the request of Sumit Kumar. So let's check. View all student. You can see that only Sumit Kumar data came here. Admin can add the student directly. In this case, there will be no approval by admin. A student will be directly added to the website. So first add the student like Sachin. Username same. You can see that there is nothing is showing here because a student is directly added to the class. There is no approval required because I have logged in as a admin. So there is no requirement of approval. We can see that Sachin is added here. We can also update the data like Sachin, and I want to increase the fees of Sachin. Let's suppose 10,000. Submit. You can see that 10,000 is updated here, and this data is also updated on the dashboard. Here it is showing 11,000 because 10,000 of Sachin and 1,000 of Sumit Kumar. We can also add the teachers from admin account. Suppose Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Hire new teacher. Now click on View All Teacher. You can see that Donald Trump and Barack Obama is a teacher. We can see the teacher's salary by their name and also on the dashboard. Now we can also see the fees of each class. Let's suppose our student is added to class 10. So let's click on the fee of a student. Sumit Kumar 1000, Sachin Kumar 10,000 and with their mobile number so that admin can contact to the student and ask for the payment. Now we will understand the attendance. So let's click on attendance. Admin can take the attendance and these features can also be accessed by teacher. Teacher can also take the attendance and view the attendance. You can see that. Teacher can also take the attendance and view the attendance. Teacher can also announce any notice to a student like submission of assignments and many more. So let's click on take attendance. You can see that here a student name came. Let's suppose Sumit is present and Sachin Kumar is absent and we have to provide the date. Submit. And now we can view the attendance we have taken now. You can see that it is showing Sumit Kumar is present and Sachin Kumar is absent, and this data can also be accessed by teacher. Here date is also showing, that is 10 May 2020. Now we will see the activity of student and teacher one by one. So let's log in as a student. First see how many students present in our website. That is Sumit Kumar and Sachin Kumar. So let's log in as a Sachin Kumar. Log out from the admin account. Let's log in as a student, that is Sachin Kumar. Here you can see that dashboard came. There is no account approval needed because we have already approved the account of Sachin. Here dashboard showing the details of Sachin, and notice board is also showing the some notice, that is classes will be suspended from tomorrow due to coronavirus, that is published by admin. Now a student can view the attendance. A student can view the attendance of their account only. A student can't view the attendance of other student. You can see that. A student can't view the attendance of other student. A student can't announce anything, only they can view. You can see that. There is a no announcement section here in the sidebar. Now we will log in as a teacher and see the functionality of teacher. So let's log out from the student account. Here you can see that dashboard is showing the details of Donald Trump, that is the teacher. Here attendance and notice, you can see that. Here you can see the functionality of teacher. After the account approval by admin, teacher can take attendance of any student of any class. Teacher can also publish or announce notice to a student. So first we will announce some notice. Submit your assignment tomorrow. Now this notice will be visible to all the students. Let's check by login as a student. This time I will login as a Barack Obama. No, sorry, Sir Sumit Kumar. You can see the notice is showing here, and roll number is 1 and fee is 1000. Let's log in as a teacher again. On Android, Python and Java. Please subscribe to Lazy Coder. Thank you.